You are welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining. If you are new and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Today we are asked to solve for x, okay? Now, when you look at this, where do we even start from? Looking at it, the first thing that came to my mind is to give these things the same denominator. Okay, we can express them as the same denominator, right? So we can write this as x raised to the power of 1 over 10 multiplied by 3 over 3. Okay? Yeah. Why am I doing that? Because I want this denominator to be 10, to be 30 as well. So 3 times 10 will give me 30. All right, plus x. Now I want this one to be 30. So it's going to be 15 times 2, right? So it's going to be 1 over 15 multiplied by 2 over 2. Then plus x to the power of, this is already 1 over 30, is equal to 84. All right, now we can write this as x to the power of 3 divided by 10 multiplied by 3, right? Plus, and this will be x to the power of 1 times 2, which is 2, divided by 15 multiplied by 2, right? Plus x to the power of 1 over 30, and this is equal to 84. So we can write this as x to the power of 3 multiplied by 1 over 10 multiplied by 3. If we bring this out and write this as 1 over 10 multiplied by 3, okay? Similarly, plus x to the power of 2 multiplied by 1 over 15 multiplied by 2, plus x to the power of 1 over 30 is equal to 84. So we have x to the power of 3 multiplied by 1 over 30 plus x to the power of 2 multiplied by 1 over 30 plus x to the power of 1 over 30 is equal to 84. All right. Now recall that a to the power of m times n is equal to a to the power of m raised to the power of n, and also equal to a to the power of n raised to the power of m. Okay, so that means that we can write this as x to the power of 1 over 30 raised to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 1 over 30 raised to the power of 2 plus x to the power of 1 over 30 is equal to 84. Have you given us a thumbs up yet? If not, please do that. That is if you're actually enjoying this video. Always tune in at our Confident to watch our new uploads. And if you are a new subscriber, if you are new on this channel, click the subscription button and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you very much. Now if we continue, we have x to the power of 1 over 30, x to the power of 1 over 30, x to the power of 1 over 30. We can say let x to the power of 1 over 30 be equal to y. So if we say that, that means we have y to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 2 plus y is equal to 84. Now, if we have the same thing to the power of 3, the same number to the power of 2, and the same number to the power of 1, do we have such a thing that when we do it here, we get 84? Yes. So we have y to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 2 plus y is equal to, if we say 4 to the power of 3, which will give us 64, plus 4 to the power of 2, which will give us 16, plus 4 to the power of 1, which is 4. If we add them together, we get 84. All right? Now, let us transfer everything to this side. So we have y to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 2 plus y is equal to, let's write this as 4 to the power of 3 first, 4 to the power of 2 and 4. All right. Now let us transfer. We have y to the power of 3 minus 4 to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 2 plus 4 to the power of 2 will cross to become minus 4 to the power of 2, then plus y minus 4, okay, is equal to 0. Now let us group them. Let's group them. Let's group them. Now remember that a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 is equal to a minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay? Now also a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 is equal to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So that means that we can express this as y minus 4 multiplied by y squared plus 4y plus 4 squared, okay? Then plus this can be expressed as y minus 4 multiplied by y plus 4. Then plus, we have y minus 4 remaining is equal to 0, okay? All right. Now we have y minus 4, y minus 4, y minus 4 as well. Let's factorize that out, y minus 4. Now when this is divided by y minus 4, we are left with y squared plus 4y plus 16, because 4 squared is 16, okay? Then plus, when this is divided by this, we are left with y plus 4. And when this is divided by itself, we are left with 1 is equal to 0. All right. Now we have y minus 4 brackets y squared, then plus 4y plus y will give us 5y. Then 16 plus 4 is 20 plus 1 is 21 is equal to 0. Okay? Remember that when you say a multiplied by b is equal to 0, then it's either a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. Now, that means that here it simply means that either y minus 4 is equal to 0 or y squared plus 5y plus 21 is equal to 0. So from the left hand side, y is equal to 4. Now note, we are not looking for the value of y, rather we are asked to find the value of x, but we can get the value of x from y. So we are going to come back to this to get the value of x, okay? Now coming to this side, we need real values of y. So let's use the discriminant to check if we can find the real value of y from here. Now the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. So it means that the discriminant is b is the coefficient of y, which is 5. So we have 5 squared minus 4 multiplied by a is the coefficient of y squared, which is 1, and c is our constant, which is 21. So our discriminant is equal to 5 squared is 25 minus 4 times 21 is 48. So the discriminant is equal to, now 8 minus 5 will give us 3, and 4 minus 2 will give us 2. So we have, sorry, I just realized I made a mistake, okay? From here, our discriminant is equal to 5 squared will give us 25 minus 4 times 21 will give us 84. Sorry, 84. Okay? So the discriminant will be equal to 4 minus 5 is not possible. So 14 minus 5 will give us 9, and 7 minus 2 will give us 5. So we have minus 59. Now notice that the answer we have is less than 0. So it means that there is no real roots, okay? No real roots. All right, now let's go back to this, where we say that y is equal to 4. But recall that y is equal to x to the power of 1 over 30. I don't know if you still remember. See, okay? Now, here our y is equal to 4. So we write 4 is equal to x to the power of 1 over 30. So to get the value of x, we raise both sides to the power of 30. So we have 4 to the power of 30 is equal to x to the power of 1 over 30 raised to the power of 30. Now this, we cancel this, and we have that x is equal to 4 to the power of 30. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.